Really, Pat? You moron. Oh my. Really? You down there, Cat? You moron. No, not the grow bag. Come on, man. Are you serious? My grow bag. Well, that's supposed to be up there, not down here. Are you serious? Not the grow bag. I didn't think I'd be making a video on a short-lived supercell, but oh my god. Camera's probably gonna die in a minute, but bro, there's flooding on our driveway right now. Oh, it's coming down. Yeah. Well, we finally got to the end of this miserable thunderstorm, and you can see all this water going down here. I don't even think we got a 1/10 of an inch of rain, and there's already flooding. Holy crap, bro. Well, that was loud as heck, yo. Oh my. Yep. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and also tell me in the comments if you saw the lightning. Oh, here comes the rain again.